Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You can see.
Good afternoon, students. I'm Dr. Carmel, co-chair BTech CSE, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. In this session, I would like to give you certain instructions and information about the course, Introduction to Engineering. The course code is BMEE 103N. Here are the few instructions about the course. Point number 1, students should observe and involve in the activities during the general induction as well as the school induction program. I hope everyone have followed this particular instruction. Point number 2, students should get familiarized with the infrastructure facilities available on the campus. The details about the infrastructure facilities, like it was already given during the general induction as well as during the school induction program. You can also get more details about this on the institutional website. Point number 3, students should attend the lecture by industries. Like school will be organizing a lot of webinars and seminars. You must attend it. And point number 4, students should involve in do-it-yourself projects, DIY projects or project that involves reverse engineering. And point number 5, it's about the report preparation and submission. You are supposed to prepare a report on the observations and the activities conducted during the general as well as the school induction program. And you're supposed to prepare it in a specified format, and you have to submit it in LMS portal and VTOR. The submission of the report, like everything will be communicated at the earliest. Okay. I just want to tell you the purpose of doing the project yourself. Like if you are doing a project on yourself, you can bring out the hidden skill sets, not only the hidden skill sets, but also like you can learn and gain a wide range of skill sets, because like you will be designing the components, you will be customizing, creating, like like you'll be doing the projects on your own, right, without taking any special training or completing any certifications. You'll be doing this project without the help of any professionals or any domain experts. Understood? Right? And the outcome of this doing yourself project is, you will be able to present your ideas, your designs, the techniques, the methodologies, like the complete project to the outside world. Got it? So when you are choosing the problem, like you can identify the problem for which the society needs a very, very simple solution. Okay, right? So you can identify the set of target audience also, right? So doing the project on your own, like you will be able to evaluate yourself, like in which position you are, what are the skill sets you have, right? And what are the skill sets you just want to develop, okay, right, before entering into the engineering stream. I hope you all got this point, right? And here are some of the evaluation metrics, okay, or the rubrics. So here you can have a glance on this. Participation in more than 80% of the general activities scheduled in the general induction program. It carries a weightage of 20 marks, right? And participation in all the activities scheduled by the school, it carries 30 marks. And the preparation of the report in a professional way, it's 20 marks. And hands-on activities related to engineering discipline, that's about the do-it-yourself project, it carries 10 marks. And evaluation by direct interaction with the students, or you will have general quiz session, so that carries 20 marks. So put together, like the weightage for this course, it's 100 marks. And here I'll show you the general template for preparing the report. Like you can include the title of the report as report on the activities involved and observations made during the induction program. You can include the course title and the course code, right, and student name, register number, okay, right. So you can include the program name and all that. And here you can see the declaration form, like you have to include your name, register number, right? So after the declaration form, you can see what are the contents, okay, right, you are supposed to prepare. So details on the activities involved during the induction program, like the learnings during the general induction as well as the school induction program, the learnings from the institutional website, learnings from do-it-yourself activity. You can also include photographs of your do-it-yourself projects, right? And other general observations and all that. Okay, so based on these content, you are supposed to prepare the draft, okay, prepare the report in a very professional way. right? So the further instruction about this course will be communicated to you at the earliest, right? So that's it about Introduction to Engineering course. And your classes commences on Monday, right, children? So attend the classes regularly, right? Wish you all the very best. Once again, I welcome you all to VIT family. God bless you all. Thank you.